Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you photo bead sync tutorial on Capcut. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Capcut application, and first of all, we're going to create new project. So I'm going to click on new project here, and then we can choose some photos that we want to edit. And I'm just going to pick random photos from here. Okay, I'm going to choose this one, this one. Oops. This one and also this one. And once you're done choosing your photo, you can click on add and the photos will be imported to your Capcut project. Okay, and now it's time to add music. We're going to go to the audio here, or you can select audio button here. It will bring you to the same menu, and I'm going to select sounds. Okay, you can import sounds from your device or you can use sound from Capcut. And for me, I'm just going to use sound from Capcut. I'm just going to choose this one. Click on this plus icon to add the music to the Capcut project. And then we're going to go to the beat menu. You can select bead right here, and then you can manually add the bead mark, or you can use auto generate feature. If you want to add the bead mark manually, you can click on this add bead button like this. Okay, but here I'm just going to use the auto generate to make it faster. Select auto generate, add beads. Okay, and just hold on. Okay, the bead mark has been added, and then you can choose the intensity. You can choose light or intense. And I'm just going to select this intensity and click on the check mark, and then you can sync the transition or the cut with the bead mark. Okay, this is the first bead mark, so I'm going to place my pointer here and select the photo, and then we can click on split and delete, or you can place it like this and then drag the clip to cut it, but I prefer the split method because it's faster. We can click on the photo, select split and delete. Okay, and I'm going to cut it right here, split, delete, and the last one, tap on the photo, split, delete. All right, and now it's done, and let's see how it looks. And I'm sorry, I cannot play it louder due to the copyright. And then you can add transition if you want. Just select the transition icon, and I'm just going to pick random transition, for example this one, and I'm going to apply this transition to all the clips, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create photo bead sync editing on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.